Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com. For today's recipe, it is not cooking, it's not baking. Well, it's actually cooking, more to boiling. This is a concoction, a healthy drink from Indonesia that we call as Jamu, and it is good for immunity, for healthy body, hopefully. It's a mixture of lemongrass, ginger, turmeric, and whatnot. It can help you for winter. In Indonesia, we can drink it anytime, but here it's good for winter, so maybe you won't get less, you will get less sick from the cold, tummy bug and whatnot. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So what I have here is fresh ginger, fresh lemongrass, and also fresh turmeric. I'm gonna scrape the skin of the ginger and the turmeric, and I'm gonna slice them along with the, you can bruise the lemongrass or you can slice the lemongrass, and then we're gonna boil them all at once. So I know that in Western beliefs, or when Western people, they like to juice them and add it with mineral water or spring water, and they like to have the ginger shot fresh like so. But in Indonesia, we believe that we have to boil them instead, because I'm not sure how to explain it, but doctors believe there's kind of like a sap in ginger and turmeric, where if you just grate them or juice them, they have this residue that will hurt your tummy. So our jamu, that's our traditional ginger shot or turmeric shot, or I don't remember one more, but kencur. I'm not sure what the English is. I think ginger lesser ginger or something like that. I can't remember. We all have to kind of boil them, like process them with hot water at least. Instead, just freshly juice and you have your ginger shot. So again, we're gonna scrape the skin of turmeric and ginger, and we're gonna slice them and boil them in all in a pot all together. If you have sweet fragrant leaves, which is pandan, what we call pandanus, screwpine, you can add it to the mixture as well when you're boiling. It helps for better sleeping at night, like a sleeping aid. But if you don't have it, just ginger, turmeric, lemongrass, and sometimes people will add black pepper, freshly cracked black pepper, and that's great for your immunity. So these all gonna be 70 gram each. Like the ginger is about 72 grams. Let's just say 70 grams. And then the turmeric is about 68 grams. Let's just say 70 grams. And the lemongrass is about 75 grams. It's 2 stalks. So let's say again 70 grams. I just want it to be, balanced to each other. So again, you can bruise them or you can slice them after scraping the skins of the ginger and turmeric. And you have, if you have lesser galangal or lesser ginger, which is kencur, you can use it as well. And we're gonna boil it on low heat or small flame, and so it doesn't really, how do you say it, boiling too much. We want to sip them into the water. In Indonesia, we actually grate them as well, but again, we don't drink them fresh always, like all the time. Like if you want to get if you want to have a ginger shot daily, doctor prefers you to boil it instead just having fresh juice right away, because again, it can hurt people's tummy. I guess it's depending your body as well, but I'm doing the way my family would do it. They would either grate them and then boil them, or they would chop or bruise them and then boil them. Now I'm gonna add 1 liter water. Again, we're gonna boil these on low heat or small flame. As you can see, my fingers are staining. If you want to grate them, better use gloves, otherwise it will stain so much, and it will stain your clothes too. So You want to be aware of that. I'm gonna put it on medium low. When it's boiling, continue cooking on low heat for 20 minutes to 30 minutes. Now that it's cooled down to room temperature, you can bottle it up and place it in the fridge. You can serve it warm or chilled. Like me, I like it chilled. And you want to add honey and fresh lemon juice, freshly squeezed lemon juice. There you go. Jamu, Indonesian traditional ginger shot for immunity. Again, when you want to serve it, you can have like half a cup, add freshly squeezed lemon and honey, and you can drink it daily. This jamu can last for a good 4 to 6 days in the fridge.